Hello, my name is Daisy Costa. I'm going to tell to you about Eastern civilization and Western civilization and which of the two I am in favor of. I am in favor of Western civilization because I familiarize myself with it. I'm syntax in white and Latina. For example, what are the most important social characteristics of the two mentioned civilization? Western countries are more liberal than Eastern civilization. Western culture allows people to be more open, critical than Eastern culture. Question: what are the most important traditions in the two mentioned civilization? Easterns bow as just treat looks welcoming guests, while Westerners shakes gems and jack or kiss the face. Arranged marriages are part of Eastern culture tradition. Uh, Unlike Western civilization, sex, love, and consider the with people that the meeting not. Um, Question: what are the principal difference between the two civilizations? Um, Comparison: Western culture is most individualistic, living independently. The opposites Western culture is less individualistic, generally is family and group system. Eastern culture makes decision in a collective way, uh, while Western civilization are individualistic and makes decision for the South. Question: how did the two civilizations conceive religion and spirituality difference and similitudes? Western culture is modern with practice on religion and is not committed to tropical tradition. Eastern civilization, clothing, ritual, and are very different in Eastern culture. Just as people paying respect to parents or elders by touching their fields. Most people can drugs, religion, and not one which seeing anything of it. Question: what is the role of the woman in the to civilization is the past century and now? The Western woman, for their part, just struggled a lot to equalize the men. She achieved a lot in terms of the independence, her freedom, her economy. Western women can access the wage, marry or live together, have unknown jobs, children, works, get university degrees, travel the world. Question: what do you consideration as is the most important contribution of every civilization to humanity? The popular culture of the Western involves the world West as American foods, clothing, books, music, movies, and consuming goods are big every or a very country. Thank you.